water, Girl Scouts can do fun science experiments.
Without water, Girl Scouts can't have fun dancing in the rain.
Girl Scouts need water to feed their pets.
Without water, a Girl Scout can't wash the dog.
Without water, Girl Scouts wouldn't be able to water their plants.
Without water, Girl Scouts can't drink water on hiking trips.
Without water, Girl Scouts couldn't wash their uniforms. Without water, Girl Scouts wouldn't be able to hydrate.
Without water, Girl Scouts can't water their plants. Thank you for watching.